To bring you along as I unbox my Valentine gift. You guys, as a business owner and as a wig seller, so I decided to get all these for myself: hair dryer, um, hair straightener, hot comb, and hair accessories. Yes, I decided to get this for myself because these are actually what I normally add to my customers just to tell them thank you. But I know that I don't have some of these because I also have natural slash perm hair. Yeah, so I needed something like this, and I decided to get some for myself. It's from a pre-order group. You guys, you know I love pre-order group. Anyways, so let's unbox this together. I was talking, I forgot that I did not hang my mic. Anyways, this is my hair dryer, and this is my straightener. Anytime I kind of wash my hair in the house, I don't usually kind of straighten my hair. I don't even blow dry, and I don't even comb it. So I just apply my products, then use natural comb. Use this comb to comb the hair, or the other bigger comb. So this time I have to think about it and also planned it that I was going to be giving myself gifting myself something that I really want to use, because I have been gifting people this with the wig they bought from me, and I decided to also gift myself. And this is my Valentine gift, and I will unbox the rest next a week, what I got for myself for Valentine. Anyways, so let's unbox this slowly. As I always say, gifting yourself does not mean that you should gift house or car or land. But if you have, you can gift yourself those things. But little things that you gift yourself actually makes yourself happy. You don't need to be selfish. You don't need to be stingy. You don't need to be like, oh, me, I don't, so what do I need this for? Obviously you need it. Gift yourself, appreciate yourself for all the wahala and trouble you have gone through since you were born. Yes, life is not easy, life is hard, and I can sit here to tell you that being a mother, hardly you buy something for yourself. You always buy for the kids, you always make everybody happy, but getting something for yourself is so difficult. It's the most difficult thing on earth. I know most of you can relate out there, because sometimes from January to December you might not remember to gift yourself anything. Even if you see some perfume that you like, you will not even, oh, Junior need this thing, let me buy. That is it. So gifting yourself something is not a big deal. It's appreciating yourself and appreciating who you are and appreciating your hard work as a woman, be it a mom, be it a single lady, be it a single mother, be it a young girl that is still growing to life. You understand? So let's unbox this. This is my hair dryer. It's like this. Oh, it's so beautiful, so beautiful. See, this is where the heat will be coming from, and this is the back. This is really nice. So I just get this handy one in case when I, I can just use it to kind of be combing. I promised to get the other comb, but I think I forgot when I was placing the order. So you see, so this is one, and this is our hot comb. Let me open this so that you guys can see it properly. This is our hot comb. Yeah, so this is how it is. When you plug this, then you start using it to comb your hair. Start using it to comb. Have you seen the big difference? But it needs to be plugged so that it can be very hot. You can also use a style your wig, used to dress it this way, dress it that way, and it came with two combs. One of the comb is here, so you fix it on it. This is black and this is pink. Get yourself some gifts to appreciate yourself, even though it's earring, even though it's lipstick, even though it's eye pencil, even though it's a bracelet, bead ones or chain one. Buy it to appreciate yourself. And most of you mom that are saving out there, by the time your savings are completed, maybe for a month, because every month you have to check what you have saved. When you bring it out, you can decide to remove 100 cedis from it, 12,000 naira. Use and gift yourself something, or to solve your problem, or to solve someone else's problem out there. It's not a bad thing. Go Charlie. Happy weekend everyone. I hope you are enjoying your weekend. So this is our straightener. This is very big, it's massive. I needed a handful straightener. Yeah. Use and straight the hair. When you section the hair, let's say this, then you put it like this, then you straight it all the way down. You straight it all the way down. You go again. You straight it all the way down. You need a straightener, especially if you own a wig. Whenever your wig have gone bad, like it has scattered, you need a hand straightener to kind of style it. Sometimes if you know how to style your wig, you don't need to take it to the salon to go and style for you. You understand? So I got one for myself in case when I want to style some certain wigs before kindly advertising, then I will use this to straighten the wig. These are the hair accessories. Mostly, sometimes when a client orders something from me, I normally put this. This is my most famous one. I normally put hair protector oil. This is hair protector oil. This is olive oil, hair protector oil. And I do add this, the waxing. This is wax stick for this. You use it this way. It's like it's sealed. Let's open it. It actually came like this. Then you open it. I think you gotta roll it, or I don't know. So, guys, can you see that? Can you see that? Sometimes when I want to style some of the wig, I use this for it. My previous one is finished. So this is what it's meant for. So I got it this as well. Let's close this up. And I also got this, the hair clips. I also bought hair clips as well. This is the manual that comes with the hair dryer. And I got this clip, like when I want to start the wig on the dummy, I'll just go like this, hold this like this, then do whatever I want to do on the mannequin head. So these are the reason why I got this, and it came so early. I told you guys that pre-order group is babe. Like, pre-order group is worth it. When you get things from pre-order group, you will never regret it. So these are the things that I got for my personal hair care from pre-order groups. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this video helped you. If you have not subscribed to this time, what are you waiting for? I hope you enjoy watching, and no matter what you do, always appreciate yourself. Be you mom, single lady, single mother, um, stay at home mom, working mom. Try appreciating yourself sometimes. If in fact, try appreciating yourself every day. Get yourself those little things that you think that it doesn't matter. Of course it matter. All right, I'm using this medium to tell you that You are a great mom. You are a beautiful mother. You are doing well. And keep being you. And that's all we have. And this is the pink one as well. Please do what to appreciate yourself sometimes. Little things do make one happy. And you know who you are, and you know what you love most. And even though it's something that is not too big, but try appreciating yourself sometimes. Let me know in the comment section how you do appreciate yourself. Is it by buying big gifts, or by buying medium gift, or by buying small gift? Let me know how you treat yourself sometimes. Happy Valentine in advance. And if this video helped and motivates you, you enjoy watching very well, please like this video, comment, share, and hit the subscription button, because our next upload is gonna be so interesting. Thank you so much. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.